Your vehicle is equipped with separate ports for USB-C and USB-A. Devices can use either port with compatible cables and/or adapters. After plugging a device into a port, press this button, Touch Source, and select USB to play audio from the device. If compatible, the battery of your device will charge while connected to the vehicle. If so equipped, additional USB ports are located on the rear of the center console and inside the center console. These are used for charging only and do not interface with the vehicle's audio system. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.